Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to jailbreak your Onn 4K stick or your Onn Box in 2026. In other words, it will allow you to get loads of apps, which are not available in your official Google Play Store by default. And now that's exactly what we're gonna do. So the very first step is you need to get the app code downloader, as well as set it up. To do that, we need to go to search on the device. So open the search bar right here and start typing downloader in the search. So let's do that together. So as you enter up the downloader, you click on search and wait until the app is found. And there it is, that orange application, which is called Downloader by FTV News. So you need to get the app, but after you got it, it's not over yet because we still need to set it up. To do that, we'll go to the settings. So click on all settings right here. Then you need to go and open up system, head to about, and then scroll down and select Android TV OS build. Now you have selected that option, you need to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see the developer options appear in your settings. After that, we'll need to return to a list of apps on your device. So here it is, and you will finally see Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Portugal right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to the list of apps on your device, locate the Downloader, and let's open it. Now here at the very top, you'll have to enter the search bar, and now we need to enter a link, which today is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Again, it's unlinked.link. Enter it as you see on your screen and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more amazing content about Android TV based devices. Then this web page will open up and you'll just scroll down a little bit until you see the download APK Android button. Just click on it and the download of the app has started now. Usually it takes just a couple of seconds. Click install right here and wait until the app gets fully installed to your device. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, as this way you'll get that option to delete the unnecessary installation files from your device. So just click on delete and delete again to save yourself some free space on the Android TV. And then when you go back to a list of apps on the device, you will finally see this new app called Unlinked. This is an alternative app store which we'll be using on your Android TV. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online, which is really important. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of service totally for free. Then let's go and open Unlinked. From here, go and click on Add a new library. There we go, and the search bar is going to appear. Now we need to enter a code, which today is going to be Firestick as a word. So yep, you just have to enter Firestick in here. That is pretty simple. Just as you see on the screen, and click on Go. And now this alternative app store will open up with loads of amazing players, applications, media apps, IPTV apps, sports, and so on. So all you have to do is select any of the applications. Let's say I am looking for On Stream. There it is. You select the app, click on download, and the download of the app will start. So that is actually really easy. Then after the download is completed, you have to hit the install the app button, click OK, and now we need to turn this option on for the Unlinked to allow Unlinked to download other applications for us. There it is, hit the back button again, click install, and then the app will be installed and fully functionable on your device. So that's the easy way to jailbreak your Onn Stick or Onn Box 4K in 2026. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.